we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
Welcome to San Nicolas. Malapit na kami. 56 minutes bago mapunta sa viewpoint ng ng Maligo. Mas na to. Mamaya-maya yung daan, magbabago na. 49 minutes. Malapit kami ng palapit sa bundok. Sobrang ganda. Oh my God. Tingnan mo, may sea of clouds dun sa taas. Ang ganda. Ganda. Zigzag na. Yay! Zigzag na. Yes, sir.
We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through and through.
Pataas ng pataas, palamig ng palamig. Grabe. Yan na. Malapit na tayo.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us great.
Grabe na yung hangin.
Things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Ayun na yung ulap.
Ay, Paul!
Ay, Paul!
We got it.
Hey, my phone!
Oh, my pulse!
We don't need no more.
Hey!
Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Hey! Look at that! Ayun o, yung ulap. Tapos upo-upo lang tayo dito. Wait na. Update! Update! Akyat kami dyan. Yan. Tingnan mo, wala akong kadala-dalang pera dito. Kahit piso, pero tingnan mo naman yung napuntahan ko. Bye! Ay, ito.
Dito hiking. Mountain.
Baliko. Guys, so ito na. Oh my God.
Sa mga oras na to ay napagtanto naming huminto dahil sa takot gawa ng sobrang lakas na hangin at mahirap na kalsada.
Kasi tingnan mo naman, nakita mo yung hangin doon ay, tingnan mo.
Kaso, makulit ako eh.
Tara na! May salang ko!
Sige,
Oh, sama ka.
dyan ako.
Mamaya na yung Andito na tayo sa class! Ben! Ganda! Grabe!
Here comes the sun.
Ganda! Nasa taso tayo!
Here comes the sun. And I say it's alright. Little darling, it's me.
Diba? Dito na